Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can import products from CJ Dropshipping to Shopify. A lot of people want to use CJ Dropshipping instead of AliExpress and other e-commerce websites. The reason for that is because whenever someone purchases an item from you on Shopify, CJ will take care of they will send the item automatically to the customer and they will handle everything for you. They will add the tracking number, for example. Almost they will do everything. You just need to add the money to CJ, and then they will use that money to ship the products, and they will use that money for everything, okay? And then you can keep the profit. So I'm gonna be explaining this to you guys in a few seconds. Now the first thing you need to do, guys, is you need to go to CJ, okay? You wanna create an account on CJ Dropshipping. That's the first step. Now you want to search for CJ Dropshipping, and this is the website. Here, if you don't have an account, you need to click on register in the top right, okay? After, guys, you click on register, you want to create an account here. So I would like to create an account with my Google. I already have one, but I deleted it so that I can show you guys how you can do this yourself. Now, as you can see, what I like about CJ is the shipping time. It's way faster. Yeah, you won't find these shipping times on AliExpress. That's why I don't use AliExpress. I like to use CJ because of the shipping time. And the best thing about this is you can also dropship on eBay. You can dropship on other e-commerce websites. As you can see, when you click on authorization, you will find here Shopify, TikTok Shop, USA, TikTok Shop, WooCommerce, eBay. Yeah, I use eBay, and I have used CJ for eBay dropshipping. Now, what you need, guys, to import products or to add products to your Shopify from CJ Dropshipping, you want to click on authorization in the top right, okay? Do you want to select the first option, which is Shopify? I'm sorry. So after you click, guys, on Shopify, you will be able, guys, to link Shopify to CJ. That's the first thing you need, guys. Now, as you can see here, it says here I already have I already have a store here linked to my CJ. But what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to delete all of this, guys, because I want to show you guys step by step on how you can do this so that you don't make, guys, any mistake. I'm going to delete this account right now. Okay, as you can see, I'm going to click on delete, and I'm going to click here. As it says here, 5, 3, 2, 1 second. I'm going to click next, and I'm going to enter the code that they will send to my Gmail, because I want to show you guys how you can do this step by step. Okay, it says here confirmation. I'm going to enter the code here. As it says here, delete successfully. So my whole CJ account has been deleted now. Now I'm going to start from scratch so that I can show you guys how you can link Shopify to CJ so that you can import products and you can let CJ Dropshipping do everything for you. They will source and ship the product for you, okay? Now I'm going to click on register again, okay? I'm going to click on Google. I'm going to log in using my Google account. As you can see, it's like I have created a new account, okay? This account has never been used for any Shopify store. Now, what you need to do, guys, now is you want to click, like I said at the beginning, you want to click on authorization, and you want to click on Shopify. And after, guys, you click on Shopify, as you can see, it says here, you haven't authorized any stores yet. Now, what you need, guys, you just need to click on add store, and you want to click on authorize, and it will take you, guys, directly to Shopify App Store. As you can see here, it's going to take you to your Shopify, and then you want to click on install. And after, guys, you click on install, you want to click here on install app in the top right. Now this app is very important, guys. It will help you a lot. I am going to explain that to you in seconds. Now it says here you have logged into this account before. Please confirm. Yeah, you just need to click on authorize, confirm, again authorize. it says here authorization success. So now we are going to start importing products from CG to Shopify. Now you want to search for any product that you want to import to your Shopify. For example, gaming. Yeah, I'm going to search for gaming chair, for example, gaming chair. As you can see, these are all the gaming chairs that are available on CJ Dropshipping. You can dropship these gaming chairs, okay? Now you just want to find the gaming chair that you want to import, or any product that you want to import to your Shopify. For example, I would like to import this one. Click on it. And what you need to do, guys, next is you want to scroll down a little bit, okay? And you want to click on list. It says here, click list to add the product to your store. You want to click on list. And here, what you need to do, guys, next is you will find your own Shopify store, okay? Which is my store. My Shopify store is called 34AO75, okay? Now, where it says here, ship my orders most to, if you are targeting United States, which is the most, like, that's what most dropshippers do, guys. They target United States because, you know, people in United States have too much money. They are ready to buy anything online, and they don't have that mindset that they have to get the item before they pay, okay? Compared to other countries like Africa, Europe, they always like the old way, which is cash on delivery and stuff like that. So if you want really to take your business to the next level, you need to target United States and Australia, Canada, like all these developed countries. You can really you can take your business to the next level. Now, where it says here shipping method, you wanna select the shipping method, okay? I would like CG packet seal. This one is cheaper and you don't have to pay for high cost, okay? You don't have to pay for high shipping costs for this company, but if you select other companies, there will be a difference in the shipping cost. But you can select one by one and see which one is cheaper and also which one is faster, because the satisfaction of your customer is way important than the profit that you are going to make, okay? If you made a customer happy, then you will come back and buy from you and stuff like that. Yeah. So where it says here collections, you want to select here the collection. I would select the home page. Here the product type, you want to select here the product type. If it's not here automatically, you want to click on add new and you want to add it here. For example, product type gaming chair. Where it says here vendor, you want to just select here my store or whatever, okay? My store, for example. Click confirm. Yeah, that's it. And here where it says I have to explain this to you guys. As you can see, it says here shipping fee. This is how much money CG will charge for the shipping, because this is a big item. This is not it's not a cheaper item. It costs a lot, okay? Now, as you can see, it charges $95 for shipping, but other cheaper items, they only charge like $10, $5, okay? You can try that by yourself. You can try to import a cheaper product and you will see that. Now, where it says service fee, so service fee means how much they are going to charge, like the handling, they will ship and source the product, you know, all these things. They charge a fee, a small fee, which is $13. And it says here total dropshipping cost is $300. So this is how much money CG will take each time you sell this item inside your Shopify. Here you will have where it says your price, you will have to charge more, okay? You will have to charge more so that you can get some profit. For example, 330, I would charge 499. Again, 499, because this product has 3 different variations. And yeah, that's it. Now where it says here list now, you want to click on it, and it says here listing in progress. You may check the listing states in on listing. Listed products can be managed in listed. Now don't worry about this, it will be listed, guys, to your Shopify store right now. Now you just need to go to your own Shopify store. I'm going to do that right now. Okay, I'm going to log into my Shopify store. Right now I'm going to select this store products. As you can see, this is the imported product. You just need to click on products, and here you want to click this I, and you will find the product here. As you can see, it has different variations, which is gray, yellow, black. Okay, and here after someone buys this product from you on Shopify, CJ will ship the product automatically to the customer, but you will have to add money to CJ on inside your CJ account. You will have to add the money so that you will be able, guys, to use that money to ship the products. Okay, so for example, this one is cost $300. If someone buys this product from you, you will have to add $330 to CJ so that you can ship the product. Okay, and the money you get from Shopify, you will go to your Stripe or PayPal or whatever payment provider you are using on Shopify. Okay, I would like to answer all your questions. Just let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. I like, guys, to reply to your comments, to your questions. And yeah, now you just need to promote this product. I would highly suggest using TikTok because it's organic traffic. You don't have to pay for advertising compared to Facebook. Facebook doesn't work. I don't think Facebook is really profitable in these recent years. I feel like Facebook is very expensive to run ads. Okay, especially in this year. It seems like TikTok is the new way, guys, to advertise products from Shopify or any other e-commerce website. Okay, so like I said, I reply to every single comment. Just let me know in the comments. Please drop a like on this video and let me know in the comments, and watch the video in the screen. See you guys in the next video.